Hello, and welcome back to another video in POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. Today, we'll be covering the Customer Profitability Report. This report is a great way to determine the most and least profitable individuals and groups in your customer database. As always, we'll get started by logging onto the dashboard. Click on the Reports tab, select the Customer tile, and click on the Customer Profitability Report. We first need to select how we'd like customer info presented to us here. Checking the first box right here, you can choose specific customers from your customer list. We've made the names and phone numbers blank here to protect identities, but on your screen, you should have all this filled out. To select the customers you want to review, just highlight their names and click the X on the top right here to save and close the window. If you'd like to look at particular customer types, check this box by customer types. This does require that you have customer types assigned through EncorePOS. To see your top customers, check here. You can choose how many customers will be shown on the report by selecting 50, 100, 200, 300, or 500 in this drop-down menu. Then select whether these customers will be arranged by gross sales or gross margin in dollars. Checking this box here and entering an employee's name will allow you to see sales made through that staff member as long as you have populated the salesperson field within the customer records in EncorePOS. Next, we can narrow down our report by product, department, or type in this selection window here. Simply check this box, choose either department or product type, and pick which you'd like to see. At this point, we just need to pick the date range for the report. I'd like to see the top 50 customers by gross sales from May of last year to May of this year, so I'll check this box here to set a custom time frame. I'll use the calendar tool in these white boxes to choose two dates that EncorePOS will search between. When all the settings are set to your liking, click Submit to run the report. When we have the report open, we can navigate through entries with the page buttons at the bottom of the report or by using the search function at the top. Click any of these arrows to change how the entries in the report are sorted. If you selected a few customers from a list, you can use these arrows to navigate between customers. If you'd like to use the report for bookkeeping purposes, you can click here to copy it to your clipboard, here to export it to an Excel file, here for a PDF, or here if you'd like to send it directly to a printer. Note that if you're using the top criteria, when you export to an Excel file, you will also get the customer's addresses, which is super useful for a mail merge. If you'd like to make a shortcut for the settings you just made to run this report, click the Save Settings button here. Enter a good name, and click OK. When you're finished with the report, click the Close button here, and Done here to return to the dashboard. To find the shortcut you just made, click on the Shortcuts tab here, and your report is just a click away. That's about it for this video today. If we helped you out, leave a like below. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our support number down in the description, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.